Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. It's that time again. It's today is December 16th. I ordered this from Craftoutlet on Tuesday at 2 o'clock. They shipped at 4 o'clock. It was supposed to be delivered yesterday, but it got held up, so it came today at like 3. So thank you, FedEx, for not toying with my emotions. This is all Mardi Gras, I think. There might have been another couple of things they threw in there, but I'm pretty sure it's all Mardi Gras. Which is good because I am done with all my, I think I have like 1 or 2 more Valentine's Day videos to film and Valentine's Day wreaths to make, but yeah, I haven't ordered any, I don't think I've ordered anything even remotely related to Mardi Gras since last year. Oh, I already see something that's not Mardi Gras. Okay, there are, well, there's multiples of several things, so we're going to do this like we always do. I'm going to pull stuff out, we're going to look at it. I'm going to take this bunny out. Oh, this is not as big as I thought it was going to be. I bought one of these last year. It was bigger. I've been looking forward, here's another one. I must have got this, is not Mardi Gras. I just had flashbacks to that beach wreath I made with this ribbon. I bought it and thought it was blue and white, and it's like blue and cream, but it's really yellow, and now this one's orange and yellow. But anyway, I bought one of these last year for a big swag. Like, the one I have is bigger. And it took me forever to get it because it was always out of stock. And I thought, oh, they have them on sale, but this is much smaller than the one I have. This one was 806, 20-inch sisal bunny head. There is no way that is 20 inches. Unless we're counting, I'm assuming we're counting the tails. Yeah. So that's unfortunate. I mean, I'll still use it. Okay. Orange and ivory, $2.96. This is not as bad as the blue one was, but I wish I had seen that was ivory, but that's what happens when you're ordering in like the middle of the night because you can't sleep. 4 10-inch gold glitter fleur-de-lis ornaments. These were $3.25 each. I got 4 of them because Craftoutlet doesn't have a lot of Mardi Gras stuff, and there's no Mardi Gras stuff out locally, and there won't be any out locally until I'm already done. So I just got these. One 1.5-inch Mardi Gras zigzag ribbon, purple, green, and gold. $72143. Yeah, this was $5.95. Oh, that's pretty. I like that it has the green that's not like the purple and the gold are glitter, but the green isn't. Cute. I'm gonna skip the mesh because that's all at the bottom. 2.5-inch Harlequin glitter Mardi Gras 10-yard. Oh, Mardi Gras is so like garish and tacky, and I love it. $6.50. RG01619WY. Okay. Did I say $6.50? Yes. 1.5-inch multi-dot ribbon. There's 2 that could be that one. It's probably this one though. RG1709. Yes, this was $4.95. I don't know that I love that gold, but it is what it is. That's ugly. Wait, we'll get to that. 2.5-inch metallic stripe ribbon Mardi Gras. Is that this one or this one? $1511. That's this one. $5.95. I don't really like that one. Glitter on metallic ribbon gold, $5, and purple, $5. Can you tell they didn't have any 10-inch purple? Tricolor Mardi Gras ribbon, 2.5 yards, $6. I mean, 2.5 inches, 10 yards. Sometimes when I go to fluff these out, see how that's like the stitched? It's not really stitched. It's like fused together. Sometimes those pop off, and it makes me upset. All right, Lustrous glitter ribbon, emerald green, beautiful. See, I told myself when I was ordering I was gonna get solids, and then I think I got 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 2.5-inch prints, and then 3 1.5-inch prints, which is 1, 2, 3. Yeah, because this is my third print. $4.95. This gold kind of matches that other gold I didn't like, so maybe it'll work out since they match. We'll see. And again, I ordered gold, and I don't like it. Alright, so that 21-inch mesh is metallic purple, $5.95. I got 2 of these. And it's just regular mesh. Emerald green, $4.75. Ugly gold. This is champagne gold. Well, I mean, I'm glad it's this and not this gold. But I wish it had more metallic in it, because that just I don't like that. $4.75. 10-inch poly mesh premium Mardi Gras stripes. That's this one, I'm assuming. RE1349. $8.75. Someone remind me when if I make this base on live that this mesh was $9. Wide weave metallic mesh in emerald, $4.95. That's this one. Metallic purple, green, and gold is this one for $6.25, and metallic Mardi Gras ombre is $5.50. I have worked with this one before. I'm assuming this one and this one. Is that the only meshes I have? Yeah, I will probably be cutting these with a wood burner because the metallics in here are very slippery. Like, if you're cutting something like this that just has a little bit of metallics, it doesn't matter. But when it's all metallics, I find them to be very slippery. So when I do work with this, if I don't use this as poofs, which I probably will use this as poofs, but this I might do with ruffles or curls or cruffles, whatever. I would probably use this as poofs, because if I scrunch it in the middle, you're gonna lose the gold. So I'll probably end up cutting these with the wood burner, just because I'm trying it out. I don't know how I feel about it yet, but I'm trying. So I think I got enough to do. I think I figured like between 4 to 6 wreaths, because I did 2 last year. They sold immediately, and I don't even think they sold to anybody in Louisiana. So I wanted to make sure I had a couple on deck. I'm gonna make some signs, and I have a little bit. Oh, I actually have a lot of Mardi Gras picks that I got last year at Walmart after Mardi Gras. I would have gotten more, but some woman was there buying stuff on Mardi Gras tree. I said, listen, Carol, is that your name? Listen, you don't need no damn Mardi Gras tree. But yeah, so I am most impressed with. I really like this mesh. I really like this ribbon. This is my fault. I should have looked at it, said ivory. I wish these were slightly bigger, because I had some bigger ones that were cheaper than this at one point. But this bunny head is very disappointing. But it's also $8 and it's burnt and burnt. So I just figured because it was $8 that it was going to be a decent size. Which isn't a terrible size, but don't tell me this is 20 inches. I know y'all love when I open the bags. Yeah. This is not 20 inches. You're talking about this. I'm measuring it on my mat. It's like 22 inches. But this part is only... I can't can't even see. $13 maybe? Yeah, I think what I did last time was, I think I ended up taking this off and making like a big bow. That's what I did with this one. That's probably what, super good quality for $9. Oh, look at that. Alright, so that is Mardi Gras. Y'all can look forward to these pretty much in all of February. Yeah. I kind of want to make a wreath now, but it's like later, and like I need to eat dinner and go live later, and I gotta make a bunch of Christmas bows for my mom's friend, but y'all will be seeing this soon enough. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, turn your notifications. Etsy, Patreon, Venmo, Instagram, TikTok, Amazon. Maybe there's something else in it. I don't know. All down in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.